Yup, that really sucks. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I hate to do another one of these just talk videos, but unfortunately the other day something bad happened to the 335i. So I was driving on a highway in New Jersey, Route 17. It's a pretty busy highway, and I was merging on. It was later at night. It was like 7 o'clock, so there wasn't really much traffic, and there was a van in front of me, and I went to go around the van. So I downshift, I get ready to go around the van, and all of a sudden, literally as soon as I go to like cut across and like go around the van, there's a freaking cone in the middle of the highway. Just one random cone in the middle of the highway. And so I ended up trying to swerve out of the way, and I was able to get it away from like going under the whole car, and I kind of just clipped it with the passenger front tire and bumper. And so this is what happened. So it ripped the fender liner down, and it kind of like pulled on the bumper here a little bit. And also, it gave me a nice little like scuff mark right here. The grill pieces I had taken out myself, but so like it scratched this. It gave me scuff marks here, but right here it kind of like separated the splitter a little bit. So yeah, there's some damage there. And now the fender liner is just kind of hanging, so it's just dragging on the tire. But I mean, I guess if there's a bright side to it, it's that, like I said in the last video, the bumper is going to be getting replaced anyway, because I'm going to be, wrapping the car. So I'm getting a different bumper anyway. So I guess it's not like bad, but like it just sucks that like, what are the odds that that has to happen? Like, I have no luck with this car. If this is supposed to be my daily driver, and if this is the luck that I'm having already, then man, I'm going to be in for some big trouble once this car actually looks like I want it to. But yeah, I just wanted to give like a quick little video for you guys. I know it's not the typical longer video, and this is going to be pretty short, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and turn the wheel in so I can see if I can actually fix the fender liner, like just rebolt it back in. I did look late last night, and it looks like the screws are still there, but it actually like ripped the plastic off of the screw, which if that's the case, then I mean, I don't know how I'm going to fix it. I might have to just get a whole new fender liner for that side, which is going to suck. But I'm going to put you guys down in the time lapse and see if I can fix this and show you guys exactly what had happened. Alright, so as you can see, there's a little screw right there. I put that back into place so that way the fender liner doesn't come forward on the tire. And then, let's see if you guys can see in here. Not so sure if you can, but there's a screw. That screw right to the left, that popped out and that piece broke. So if you look underneath, which I don't think you guys are able to see, but the bumper actually broke down here in two. You see? It actually cracked. So that cannot be fixed. So I'm kind of just gonna chill with it like that for now and hope everything's good. This is pretty much just gonna stay like that. Whatever bumper guide is in here that used to hold the screws up, that broke. So the screws literally don't even spin in here anymore. It's literally held up by a zip tie right now. I tried screwing it back in and they were just stripped. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do when we get the new bumper. We'll have to see about that. As much as this sucks that this happened to the car, at least it's something minor. At least no one got hurt. It could have been worse. I could have hit something a lot harder or something like that, a rock, and it could have just completely screwed up the car. So like I said, if there's a bright side to it, I'm gonna be getting a new bumper anyway. This is kind of just like, whatever. It's not really like too big of a deal. It just sucks that it happened. So far, it didn't feel like it threw off the alignment or anything, and I didn't see any other damage. There's no leaks or anything like that. So that's it. I hope you guys didn't enjoy this video, because I certainly didn't enjoy making it. But I do, you know, this is what me and Steve do. We are car vloggers. We want to, you know, be seen in the car community. So I'm gonna give you every update that happens with my car, whether it's bad, good, or you know, whatever. I'm gonna give you the update. So wish me luck in the comments below. Hopefully nothing happens. Hopefully the fender liner stays as it is. And check back for future videos because they're gonna be a lot better than this one. Always remember, work hard, stay humble.